I hope by now we all know that you should be wearing a mask when you go out in public, but today I'm going to be giving two reasons why you should in case you don't want to or just in case you don't already know. The two topics I have today are you should wear a mask for the health of yourself and others, and you could also be contagious without knowing it. So this little picture I have here shows your risk levels if you're both not wearing a mask, if only one person's wearing a mask, and obviously the most safe way is if two people are wearing a mask and they're together and they're 6 feet apart. That would be the ideal situation. And according to an article published to ucsf.edu, published in 2020, masks prevent large droplets that come from your mouth or nose from evaporating into smaller droplets that can travel farther. And I've seen people online take like a spray bottle or something that sprays and like spray it through their mask and nothing comes out. So that right there just goes to show that if you sneeze or cough, most, if not all, will stay in the mask and you won't give it to anybody else. And I also wanted to bring up that you could be contagious without knowing it. NPR published an article in 2020 that states that you can be a silent spreader, which that means you could be asymptomatic where you don't have symptoms at all, or you could be pre-symptomatic where you don't have symptoms yet, but you will, or you could be very mildly symptomatic. I know that I have people that I know that have had cold-like symptoms and they tested positive, or they didn't have any symptoms and they tested positive. So you really don't know, and it's just better to be cautious and care about the people around you. So I just want to end this by saying you should help stop the spread so we can get back to our normal lives. That's what everybody wants. If you just wear a mask and you follow the rules, then that could happen sooner.